Hello, good morning to everyone. Today I ordered two items on Amazon. Let us unbox this, and this is the portable water heater. See here, portable instant water geyser. So this is from the brand ultinopro, and I have ordered this from the Amazon. See here, Amazon, and let us see. And this is the two-way pipe. Why I ordered this two-way pipe, I'll explain this. Why exactly, what is the need of this? Because there are two connections here. One is out from this and one is out from this. So let us open this box. Yeah, see here, this is the portable geyser. What are the items in the box? I'll open this. Yeah, this is the water pipe, and yeah, this has to be, I need to keep it here or here, like this. Okay, yeah. Next, nothing inside. And this is the water heater, instant portable geyser. So this is the winter season. So what I need to do is, I'll just show you. Yeah, if I has to install this with the pipe, I need to install it here, so that I'll get two outs of the water, so that one I can keep it to the geyser for hot water. And for example, this is for the geyser and this is for the normal pipe. Okay, yeah, I can use it like this. Okay, coming to the price of this, I bought this for 1100 on Amazon. I'll tag the product so you can check here. So yeah, we need to just plug this to the power, and just if we switch on this, there will be indicator light will be showing up here, and we need to turn on the tap. So whatever the tap connection will give through this tap, and the water will be coming from this tap and to here, and from here the hot water will be out. And if anyone wants the to see the video after the installation, please do comment something like installation something, so that I'll do another video on that. And if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments.